In this video, we will review the top propeller guards for the DJI Air 3S and offer details on their features and advantages.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have StartRC Propeller Guard. Due to its sturdy and dependable construction, the StartRC Propeller Guard is a popular option for DJI Air 3S drone users. Because they are made of premium ABS plastic, these guards are strong and lightweight. The Propeller Guard's fortress-like shape and premium materials can increase toughness, impact resistance, and compression resistance. It also isolates the propellers to prevent the DJI Air 3S drone from inadvertently colliding with walls, trees, or other obstructions. The Propeller Guard efficiently increases the DJI Air 3S drone's adaptation to the ground during takeoff and landing while protecting the propellers. Helps lower the possibility of harm or damage to your Air 3S drone. The Propeller Guard's buckle design is practical, simple to install, and won't scratch the drone's fuselage. The StartRC guards are designed to reduce drag, in contrast to certain other types that could affect the drone's ability to fly. This guarantees that your DJI Air 3S will continue to be responsive and agile, enabling you to carry out intricate maneuvers without encountering any difficulties. Their qualities and advantages to assist you in making a wise choice. On number 2, we have QuickTmy Propeller Guard. Another great option for those wishing to safeguard their DJI Air 3S drone is the Coyktonty propeller protection. These guards are made from a flexible and long-lasting TPU material that allows a small bend to cushion impact in addition to strong protection. The Propeller Guard's fortress-shaped shape, composed of PC plus ABS material, can increase robustness and isolate the propellers to prevent Air 3S from inadvertently colliding with walls, trees, or other obstructions. The Propeller Guard weighs a mere 0.45 pounds net. Superior lightweight, strong, and durable materials that won't interfere with the Air 3 drone's regular flight. Utilized to isolate the blades lower the possibility that they will injure humans, prevent damage from foreign objects hitting the blades, and enhance flight safety. This guarantees that the drone will continue to operate at its best without putting undue stress on its motors or batteries. Aerodynamic drag is also reduced by the streamlined shape, enabling steady and comfortable flying even at higher speeds. On number 3, we have Craznick Propeller Guard. One of the best options for increasing the safety of your DJI Air 3S drone is the Craznick Propeller Protection. These guards provide a strong defense against possible impacts and collisions because they are made of high-strength polycarbonate material. Long-lasting protection is guaranteed by this sturdy design, even in difficult flying conditions. To increase robustness, the Propeller Guard takes on a fortress design. Make flying safer and more dependable, prevent collision injuries, and stop scratches and damage to the blades. The snap-on design of this Air 3S Propeller Guard makes it simple and quick to install, and it won't scratch the drone's body. It is significantly lighter than comparable goods on the market, weighing only 72 grams, 0.16 pounds, and it won't interfere with the DJI Air 3S drone's usual flying. The Craznick Propeller Guard was created to reduce drag in terms of aerodynamics. The DJI Air 3S's streamlined design ensures that flying efficiency is maintained while maintaining agility and performance. Pilots who do intricate aerial maneuvers or high-speed flights would especially benefit from this. So these are some of the best propeller guards to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.